we can go anywhere of the island every time we want, to minister the people on each island at my place. They cannot come here to go to attend the church, but we need to, to bring the church to them, bring the God's word to them. They cannot come over here because it's, you need to pass by the ocean. So, yeah. And please pray for the pastor and the pastor's wife for also wisdom, for wisdom, for everything that they are doing, guidance of God, and they have ministry also in Cebu. So pray for the people in Cebu. And in this place, Bantayan Island have 3 municipalities like